Hello everyone. Today we see the DLS for the solids. Already you have seen the DLS. In the DLS, so what is the top here? This is a DLS for the pentagonal prism that already you have drawn in the initial lectures. So what you have done, the top view will be pentagon of given size. See here, this pentagon can be in any position. Since it is given that here, base with the base edge of the base is parallel to the VP. That's why I have drawn here parallel line. Otherwise, you can draw the pentagon with the corner on the right side. You can draw the pentagon corner on the left side. In any position, you can draw the pentagon here. So you already know the how to draw the simple DLS here. That's the development of solids here. In the top, it will be pentagon of given dimension. Front view will be rectangle of given dimensions. Here it is given that base size is 40 mm and axis side is 90 mm. So draw the top view of the object, draw the front view of that particular solid. Then how to draw the DLS here? So initially just take the 200 mm distance, make the complete rectangle. What is the 200 here? 200 is the perimeter of the base, perimeter of the pentagon. That is 40 into 5, that is 200. So mark here 200 here, complete the rectangle, then divide into the 5 equal parts since it is a pentagon. So mark the points here, join the lines, mark the points as AA, BB, CC, DD, EE, and again it is AA. So you have to mark the point here. Fine. So that already you have completed. Now next thing addition is that here you are going to draw the cut section of this particular solid. So what is the cut section here? In this problem it is given that cut section is bisecting the axis. What is the bisecting the axis? Means that cut section start from the center of the axis. Total axis side is 90 mm, correct? So what is the center of the 90 mm? It is 45 mm. So at 45 mm mark the point. From that point take the angle as 45 degrees and draw the cut section here. How the cut section drawn here? Mark the point at the center of the pentagon, that is the rectangle front view. Take 45 degree angle from that point and you have to mark the this particular cut section. See here how to mark the points here. See here how I have marked the points P dash E, since it is lying on the E dash E dash. That's why I mark it as P dash E or PE dash. Then how I mark the point PD, P dash D, it is lying on the D dash D dash. How I mark the point PA dash, it is lying on the A dash A dash. Then how I mark the point P dash C, it is lying on the C dash C dash. Then last one is the P dash B point, it is lying on the B dash B dash. So got how to mark the points, how to draw the cut section. They will give the position of the cut section here. Here it is given that the cut section is bisecting the axis. That's why I have taken center of that particular axis. And from that I have taken the 45 degree angle. They will give the angle here, cut section angle with the base edge of base parallel and bisecting the axis of the prism. See here angle is given as not 45 degrees, the angle is given as 30 degrees. So you have to take the angle as 30 degrees here. Just make one correction here. Instead of 45 degree, you have to take the angle as 30 degrees given in the problem statement 30 degree. But most of the times the angle will be 45 degree, but it is a 30 degree. So draw this particular cut section. Next, how to project this cut section in the your DLS. That is the important point. See here, start from each point. See here, this is the point P dash B. See the point BB. Project P dash B on the BB, that mark as point PB. Next point is P dash C. Project the P dash C on the CC, that is the point PC. Then next point is P dash A. Project the P dash A on the A line, PA. Last point and again is the first point. Next point is the P dash D. Project the P dash D on the DD, that is the point PD. Next last point is the P dash E. Project P dash E on the line of EE, that is the point PE. Now join all these points in a sequence and you have to complete the lower portion of this particular diagram. That will give the DLS of this particular objects. So what is the addition here? In this case, they will give the cut section. You have to draw the cut section in the front view, and you have to project a point of the cut section into the actual your DLS. Thank you.